Does your grass type look like this during hot summer months, but you want it to look more like this during these hot summer months? Well, stay tuned in this video as I'm going to show you 6 different ways and 6 different products that can help you beat the heat in your lawn. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you 6 different methods and 6 different products that you could utilize in your lawn to help your lawn recover from this heat. This goes for all grass types, so make sure you stick around and let's get right into the video. Summer heat affects us all, whether you're cool season, transition zone, or warm season turf. I think we could all agree that this summer heat, we're all feeling it. Here are my top 6 picks to help your lawn stay green during these hot summer months. All right, guys, so this one may seem pretty obvious, but increasing your watering time. If your watering time schedule is still set for spring and it's still active in your timer, make sure you go ahead and you change it and up your watering time. Make sure you're getting enough water to help your lawn from these hot summer days. For instance, if your spring watering time is only set to put down 1 inch of water in your lawn, go ahead and make an adjustment and take it to 1.5 inches. Now, it may not seem a lot, but that would greatly help reduce those browning spots inside of your lawn. Increasing your water is the easiest and most effective way that you could stop your lawn from browning because of the summer stress and keep it nice and green. Extra watering is not in your to-do list favor because of high water bills. No worries, Ecologel has you covered with Hydrating. Hydrating could help you greatly reduce your watering up to 50%. The way that this works is microscopic droplets from your last watering cycle or from rain is stored down in the root zone in your plants. You could use this in your lawn, you could use this in your garden bed. I personally use it for both. And when your plants are asking for that extra bit of water, that's where Hydrating plays a big factor. It's going to keep those microscopic droplets down where the roots are, so your lawn or your garden could automatically just uptake that extra watering so you don't need to water. Now, this is not a permanent replacement for your actual water irrigation or for rain. What it does help with is that extra day or 2 that it will allow you to skip so that your plants could stay green and not shrivel up or turn brown because of lack of watering. Hydrating, tip number 2. All right, so for tip number 3, what I'm doing is I'm pretty much stepping on my lawn, which I don't like people to do, but I'm trying to show you. If people are constantly stepping on your lawn, that's heavy foot traffic on your lawn. Or if people are riding up in your front lawn with their cars, your soil is getting compacted. So these 2 next items I utilize to help the compaction of the soil. Yard Mastery's Aerate and Simple Lawn Solutions Soil Loosener. Both of them work pretty much exactly the same. They help compacted soil actually break down like these little air pockets where liquid and supplements are a lot easier now penetrable into the roots where your grass could uptake what it needs. I don't have any with me, but those are the 2 that I have used personally in the past. They both work great and they both work the same. Now hang on, tip number 6 is actually going to be an equivalent to tip number 3, which is this, the soil compaction. Real quick, pause in this video. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell notification for new and future videos. If this video is helpful for you, hit that like also. I'll greatly appreciate it. Back to the video. But make sure you stick around because tip number 6 is a household item that you probably have right now in your lawn and can help reduce that summer stress. All right, guys, so tip number 4. Aerating. Now, there's mechanical aerating, there's liquid aerating, there's what I'm going to show you today, which is pretty much foot traffic aerating is what I'm calling it. Now, mechanical aerating is something you would do in the early spring, early summer, or fall, where you will use a mechanical aerating machine to go across your lawn and help it pull these plugs to help your lawn breathe a lot better. Now, by breathing, what I mean is the same thing as liquid aerating, as well as what we put in our lawn. It'll easily seep down into the roots of your grass where it can be easily absorbed. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a foot traffic aerating that I have recently run into, and I think it's pretty cool. And these are like aerating shoes. As you can see, they have a style of Crocs to them, or you could even flip-flop this for more comfort or more support on your legs. But the thing is, they have these needles on them. Now, these needles work by when you're walking through the lawn, they are stepping down, and instead of pulling cords or pulling plugs like you would do with a mechanical aeration, they're just poking holes all across your lawn. And I find that pretty cool. And what I say to everybody is, I'm killing two birds with one stone. No pun intended. I'm an animal person. I'm just using that as a reference. But yeah, while I'm mowing, I'm also kind of aerating, and I find that pretty cool. Tip number 5 is utilizing high potassium fertilizer. The potassium is going to help reduce the stress that the summer brings on your lawn. Now, in this case, I only have one product here, but I'm going to mention two. This is Yard Mastery's Stress Blend, and I apologize in time. The bag is a little beat up because I got this bag when it was on sale and I've had it for now the summertime, which I'll be putting this down pretty soon. The second product is Simple Lawn Solutions High Potassium Hose and Sprayer Fertilizer. Works the same. It's a hose end sprayer, so it's a little bit easier to put down. You just connect it to a hose and you spray away. So the last tip I could give you to help you beat that summer stress, this one might raise some eyebrows. And tip number 6 is baby shampoo. Baby shampoo could actually work as a soil loosener, as I have mentioned in one of my previous tips in this video, and it's actually less expensive. And it might be an item that you have right now in your house. Now, however, this comes with a precaution. As you see, this is baby shampoo and not lawn shampoo. There are some cautions to take with this that I would recommend. The first one is utilizing a hose end sprayer and not a backpack sprayer when putting down this product. And the reason I say that is because since it is shampoo, it could dry up. It is shampoo. It could dry in your lawn. So we want to put enough water in our application to make sure it's going down to the root where it's not going to damage anything and it's going to work how we want it to work. Now, you might also say, but Danny, this is baby shampoo. This cannot go into our lawn. I agree. But since there are no harmful chemicals or odors or any unnecessary nonsense, this is actually safe for your lawn. It's actually safe for the environment, and it will not harm if you follow the proper directions. I will not utilize more than maybe, let's say, 2 ounces per 1,000 square feet of product of this. And I would recommend you put a little bit of water, add the 2 ounces, and then slowly add the remaining water to the top of your hose end sprayer. If you just drill in there, you're going to foam up because this is shampoo and you're going to cause more of a mess, and this is going to be a headache for you. So baby shampoo is actually a soil loosener, and of course we all like to use our Johnson & Johnson. It's a good product. I've used this in the lawn, but I've tested it. It works out great and I recommend it. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. Let me know down in the comment section if you utilize any of the tips 1 through 6 that I have mentioned in this video and how well it's worked for you. If you're interested, all these products that I have mentioned are down in the description. check out the links. I'll greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. And until next time, guys, peace.